and welcome to another exciting episode of Times Right on SABC1. Now, this is the show that celebrates our beautiful South Africa and its beautiful South Africans.
That's right. Proudly sponsored by SABC Education. Nyasma Fetsi that every week we take a look at what South Africans are doing and how we as a country are moving forward and celebrating our human rights and freedom. And
to also prepare them for bokamoso ba bona.
Take a look at what's coming up on today's episode. We go back in time to find out how youth were involved in the fight against apartheid and how they impacted the country and its people. Sifana Novusi Tembegayo and find out more about how he has been motivating people since his teen years. We find out how the youth of today can seize opportunities democracy has given them, learn more about the educational value of soccer, community radio, and youth community theatre. Spinda Futis Kuluma Novugani Koza about rising above and creating opportunities for young people of South Africa.
Batjha ba naha ya rona bona ba etsa eng? Ke eng se leng bohlokwa ho bona? Ba etsa eng ho lokisetsa bokamoso ba bona? And what opportunities do they have? As usual, re botsitse lona as the youth of South Africa, so let's take a look.
Fana ke batla wale banang ba banyane mo Mzansi the youth le re ba etsang to develop the youth in our country. Wena opinion ya hao ya youth ya rona mo Mzansi ke eng?
Okay, now youth youth here these days it's very diverse.
The youth of today is mostly like doing drugs and everything, but most of them are staying in church and staying in school.
Are you taking part in nama youth program, nama activity kunento tonight like with community?
No, I actually rap, so...
Yes, Fridays we usually go to church for youth at around 7 o'clock, then we come back at 9.
Anyone who's a role model to you?
My role model is Jay-Z. Yeah.
Why?
Because I also rap.
Okay. In the future, you say Ronona we wanna look in the future.
Well, from more Lingona, I feel in the future, it's never succeed, you know, as long as fella push.
All I can say to the youth of today is keep doing the right thing, put in the work, it's telling no banabak. Alright. Power to the future.
The youth are the future of the world, and today's young people will be leaders tomorrow. Abantu abasha have played a critical role in the development of our country. Us beginning in Katizinzi, how did young people come together to make a difference? As the fight against apartheid escalated in the 1970s, the youth got involved and changed the political landscape of our country forever. The Soweto Uprising remains one of the most famous movements of the apartheid era, with students igniting all over the country and coming together to protest against educational policies of the apartheid government. The government responded with cruel tactics of torture and punishment that shocked the world and led to an international call to end the apartheid in South Africa. Educational boycott continued all over the country, and students, educators, parents, and community activists came together to form alternative educational institutions ukufundisa abantu ngePeople's Education. These studies aimed to make education relevant to democratic struggles of the time and provide young people with a higher level of education. The government responded by banning literature used by institutions and detained students, teachers, and learners of these organizations.
Enjoy a democratic educational curriculum. Embrace the right to an education.
And human rights weight. There are so many South Africans who gave up their lives so that you and I can live in a democratic country. Do you guys know your heroes? If not, let's go check it out.
ANC Armoring, I don't know. Order of Mendy. Isn't that Mahlangu something?
Mkhonto wesizwe. Solomon Mahlangu.
uSolomon Kalushi Mahlangu ungene eMamelodi High School kufikela ku standard 8 kodwa akaqedanga imfundo zakhe emuva ukuthi isikolo sakhe sivalwe ngo1976 due to ongoing riots. Instead, he joined the ANC and left the country ukutraina njengesoldier for ANC's armed wing Umkhonto Wesizwe. Ngo1977, yena and fellow two soldiers uGeorge Lucky Mahlangu noMonti Motlowong returned to SA to join the student protest to commemorate the Soweto massacre. Kodwa abafikanga to the protest, they were cornered by police and 2 white civilians were killed. uGeorge ukhone ukubaleka kodwa uMonti was brutally beaten during the capture that he suffered severe brain damage. uSolomon had not fired a shot, washiwa ukuthi abhekana namacala wokubulala ayedwa. Wanikwa i-death penalty and nge-6 April 1979, uSolomon Mahlangu was hanged. Amagama wakhe wokugcina angatholwa ethuneni lakhe. My blood will nourish the tree that will bear fruits to freedom. Nitshelana abantu bami ukuthi ngiyabathanda and they must continue the fight. The ANC hailed him njengeqhawe for the struggle and in 2005 awarded him the Order of Mandy for bravery in honor of his sacrifice for freedom and democracy la eMzansi.
Katlukile na batjha ba naha ya rona ba na le menyetla e leng hore di-heroes tsa rona di ilwanetse mo dilemong tse fetileng. Re tlakane le Vukani Khoza o leng a musician, choreographer and owner of African Child Productions. O re boleletseng hore yena o lokiseditse jwang bokamoso ba hae le hore o etsa eng hore a kgone ho thusa ba bang hore ba etse se yena a se entseng. Check it out.
Sanibonani igama lami uVukani Khoza. Sihleli la studio siraf nabo raf. Obviously ila sispana khona lana siyenza yonke into yethu music. Uvukani abantu abaningi bamazi njengoma Jayvana, abanye bamazela umculweni ya ngiyacula vele. Uvukani umfana ogangile nje, ngikhule ngigangile, ngizizame zonke izinto, ngiqale ngama skateboard, ngasuka ngayo swimmer, ngaba i life saver lapha e beachfront. Then from there ngabuya ngazo joina iSpantsula, which is i-dance ngasekhaya because bekuyikhathi zabo kamazu ngalesikhathi ngiqala ukujiva mina bengina 8 years. Up until ngibona ukuthi yazini italent elikhona kodwa manje umuntu ustakile eThekwini ngoba eThekwini ama resources bewangekho. Mina ngivele I made it ngalesikhathi sabo umduma silela nabo art nabo bama bengingakagcwali kanje njoba nje manje industry segcwele sewuhlangana nomuntu athi hey nami ngiyacula nami ngubani bani ngiya act yabona. So ngathatha i-risk ngeza la eJoburg ukuthi ngiphesule le dream yami and izinto zahamba right. Ukuza kwami eJoburg beku 98. I guess beku experience yethu ya la eJoburg and I learned a lot. Then sahlangana noMzambia at some club called Red Lion and beku show kaMzambia we really stole the show. Abantu bathi enko from Durban boys enko. Then manager kaMzambia decided ukuthi no, can you guys dance for Mzambia a Red Easter show? That's when we started defaming together like Joburg. Then we started making money. Sikwazi ukuthi sithole flat nesponge ne2 plate stove yabo. At least sekuyaqala kancane and then we learning eJoburg as time goes because besivuka ngalesinko esishisa lapha eHill. Ne rama sifake lapha sithambi sinko nebisi. Then we okay for a day yabo.
But we look at ways young people can seize the opportunity democracy has given us. Spinasbeke idiski ne community theatre ukuthi ikhuthaza kanjani abantu abasha. We speak to Vusi Thembekayo on how he decided from a young age to change his life and do things for the better. We find out how the youth of today can seize opportunities democracy has given them. Sihlangana no Vusi Thembekayo and find out more about how he has been motivating people since his teen years. We're back with it and you guys are still tuned in to Times here on SABC 1 Mzansi for sure. Brought to you by SABC Education.
Kajakulena re batla ho celebrate menyetla e leng hore batjha ba rona ba na le yona ha esale naha ya rona eba a democracy in 1994.
I'm we're finding out what South Africans are doing to empower the youth of our country and providing them with skills and tools to take control of the future.
Ibile hana re batla bona how the role of the youth has changed ha esale apartheid e fela, and we are also paying tribute to those ba leng hore ba lwanetse ditokelo tsa batho ba rona.
Coming up next. Let's go check it out. Sihlangana no Vusi Thembekayo and find out more about how he has been motivating people since his teen years.
Batjha ba naha ya rona kajekolena ba na le mathata a mangata e leng hore ba shebane le wona. Le le hore mathata ao ha tshwane le mathata a nakong ya apartheid. Ha re sa lwantsha in a praise of government empa neng re na le ntho tse re shebane le tsona tse tshwanang le crime, poverty and socio-economic inequality.
However, zikhona indlela in which we can rise above and seize the opportunities of democracy to create a better future. Asemesebheka ukuthi singayenza kanjani. Sidinga ukuthatha i-advantage of learning opportunities available kusizwe sethu, whether it can be academics, sports, culture or science. And the manning puts our institutions workshop on opportunities initiatives la singaya kuwo sifunde more about skills. If ufuna ukwazi what's happening in your local area, ungabuza around or go online and get involved. Entrepreneurs are the new buzz la eMzansi, and a lot of people are choosing to be self-employed bazenzele izinto for themselves. You can start a small business in a garage or fix some computers at home. You can create your own fashion label or give cooking lessons, or no, you can get creative and get going. The 1994 elections was a historical event in eMzansi because it was the first time that all South Africans could participate in the vote. This is a right that our freedom fighters fought for during all those years of struggle, and we owe it to them to educate ourselves on the political situation of our country and exercise our right to vote.
Go na le di-initiatives tse dingata tse leng gore di shebane le go kgothatsa batjha ba naha ya rona e seng fela go ba ruta le go aha di-communities empa leng gape le go creator awareness on social issues tse leng gore naha ya rona e shebane le tsona. D is standing by with more.
Abantu abasha bayawadinga ama-role model. U-Aaron Mokoena is not only one of SA's great soccer players, but he's a great role model that seeks to give back and empower abantu abasha bala South Africa. I-Aaron Mokoena Foundation was launched by South Africa and the UK in 2009. Iqondane nokukhulisa and improve opportunities for young people across Mzansi. Basebenzisa amandla webhola to influence education, health, and life skills. The foundation manages and develops a range of programs across the country that include after-school and holiday programs.
Sambile sayakhuluma noVusi Thembekwayo to find out how he started off as a young teen, being booed off stage to being an internationally recognized speaker. Check it out.
Igama lami uVusi Thembekwayo, ngumfana saWatville, ngiphuma eWatville eBinoni. Ngomsebenzi ngiyi-professional speaker, lokho kusho ukuthi ngihamba ngikhuluma nabantu, ngigqugquzela abantu everywhere around the world. Nginenhlanhla impela ngoba kulo nyaka odlule I spoke in 17 countries. So inkosi ngibusisile, I was raised by a single mother and ngathi uma sengikhula ngaqala public speaking esikolweni. So ngawina the world championship ngina 17 and I've been speaking ever since. Mina public speaking mfethu ngayenza esikolweni. Kwakuyile lento abayibiza ngesingisi bathi ama-extramural activities. Ngayenza esikolweni kodwa nje kwathi uma kufika ithuba lokuthi ngihambe ngiyokukhompyutha nezinye izingane kwabonakala ukuthi no ngempela I'm very good at it. So I started young and then I became the youngest person in South Africa to win a South African championship. With that ngathola ithuba lokuthi ngiyokukhompyutha futhi nabanye abantu abasha from umhlaba jikelele kuma world championships. And so that's how ngayiqala ngase ngiwina lapho. From lapho I then turned professional, ngaba a professional speaker and sekuwumsebenzi wami ke lo. So mina my very first professional talk ngaholelwa 35 rand. Abantu bangibuza bathi u35 rand ngempela mina bangikhokhela u35 rand. Ngoba mabe ngibuza ukuthi ufuna ukuhola malini ngathi no ngiphene nje 35 rand. Bathi uyadlala ngathi no ngifuna u35 rand ngoba ngifuna ukuthenga uairtime. Kumbuzo omuhle lo mfethu. Umsebenzi wethu ukuthi sisize abantu empilweni zabo. Lokho kusho ukuthi sikupha mhlambe imizekelo namathulusi ukuthi uma ufuna ukushintsha impilo yakho kwenza kanjani lokho. That's really is my job. Uma ngifika mhlambe enkampanini bathi ngizokhuluma nabantu babo. Umsebenzi wami ukuthi mangifika lapho ngizokhuluma nabo, ngizoxoxa nabo. Ngibabonisa ukuthi le inkinga ebanazo empilweni zabo noma kule nkampani yabo, there are ways to overcome them. Bese ngibabonisa ukuthi bakwenza kanjani lokho, ngibashiye bajabulile ngempela ba motivated ngesingisi. Kumsebenzi wami ke lo. So that's what it means. Kulukhuni kakhulu ngoba nawo umuntu, so kunamalanga la awuziva kahle noma uyagula noma mhlambe awuphilanga kahle, kodwa kufanele njalo uma ususebenza nabantu ube nesiqinisekiso sokuthi when you are standing in front of that audience and wenza umsebenzi wakho uyawushaya ngempela, ukuthi musuka bathi no ngempela we feel much better, we are motivated. I think it's important for all of us to give back. Ikakhulu laba kuthena who know what it's like to need. Mina ngukubekela iqiniso mfethu, my very first talks bengihamba ngetekisi. You know what that's like? Bakubiza endaweni bathi wozokhuluma nabantu. Uma ufika upaka i-Range Rover, upaka i-BM, upaka i-Mercedes, uhlika etekisini wena, and you are coming to talk to them. Uyadlala wena. Uyadlala. Awazi lutho. So I think it's important to know where you come from, and ikakhulu it's important when those things happen to know that money doesn't make you who you are, that you have just as much value as those people, no matter what they drive, no matter where they are from.
Community theatre ke tsela entle ya gore batjha ba kgone go hlakana ba bue ka di-issues tsa bona, mathata a bona, and also to create awareness throughout their communities. Hona jaanong a re samere le bona gore community theatre yona e etsa eng ko mahaeng a ko Limpopo.
Community theatre in Limpopo has become a very effective way to create a platform for Ulushalala in South Africa to express and communicate their everyday struggles. HIV prevention and sexual abstinence are the overriding themes of their performances. Nama workshops avumela abantu abasha to reflect on their daily struggles nokuthi bathole indlela engcono to cope with these issues. Indlenye yePhakama project, a national network of community-based arts organizations, the initiative has gained such popularity ukuthi the troupe bayamenywa by local and international organizations uzobonisa umsebenzi wabo and share the experience of community theatre. It's an effective way ukuyenza abantu abasha to get involved emfundweni, create awareness nokusebenzisa amathuba abanawo. The performers are also praised ngokukhuluma ulwimi of SA's human rights nokuyisebenzisa as a weapon in the fight against violence, HIV and abuse.
When we come back, we look at the impact of community radio on the youth. Spindas Fundenge Bokamuso Youth Foundation. Get cool advice from our awesome guests in today's show. All this coming up after the break. Find out how community radios can empower the youth. Get some amazing advice from our guest on today's show.
Celebrated Tom's proudly brought to you by SABC Education, Moho SABC 1 Mzansi for sure.
And then we're celebrating isizwe sethu. Ukuthola kabanzi ukuthi abantu abasha bayenzani to embrace the opportunities of democracy and take the future into their own hands.
Re kgona hape le ho bona ka mokgwa dintho di fetohileng ka teng since apartheid e fela. Ra bua le some awesome people about empowering the youth, le ho neletsa batjha ba naha ya rona the tools to go out and actually make something of their lives.
Take a look at what's coming up next. Find out how community radios can empower the youth. Get some amazing advice from our guest on today's show.
Hona le batho ba bangata ba naha ya rona ba ileng hore they are getting the youth involved. Iblani ba ba neletsa thuto e leng hore e tlo thusa bokamoso ba bona. Hona jwanong a re tsamere bona what kind of an impact community radio has got not only on the province of Limpopo empaneng mo naheng ya rona kaofela. Take a look.
Our radio stations are providing a platform for abantu abasha bala in South Africa to share their views. The partnership between the Department of Basic Education and the Children's Radio Foundation has given abantu abasha a voice in the media and community radio stations such as Greater Leboa Khomo FM in Limpopo, now broadcasting weekly radio stations researched, written and produced by young people. The opportunity enhle for abantu abasha to share their views ukuthi kuyenzakalani emphakathini. They are also taught how to interview, debate, create and structure stories and turn them into radio broadcasts. This initiative has been so effective that the same model has been introduced in the Northwest Province and will be distributed across the country. Maningi ama initiatives noma workshop ayenzakalayo in and around our country. If ufuna ukwazi ngale zinto, you can simply go online and do some research. Learning new skills and getting involved is how you better your future. Sambile sayibuza ama guests on today's show on what they think the future holds for our future young South Africans. Take a look.
If you are in anything as a young person and you don't fail, you're on the wrong path. You know, for me, ngitshela abantu abasha njalo ngithi kufanele uthole lento le ezokwenza ukuthi uzibuze ukuthi ngabe ngempela is this what I'm supposed to do? It must be so difficult that there are moments where you doubt yourself. Because it's only when you doubt yourself that you have lama conversations with yourself as no, but I can do it. That's how you build character, is by being tested. And you get into a space where you have to reinforce your own beliefs over and over and over again, and you get stronger.
Youth bafethu ayiphume endlini because abantwana bamanje angazi kwenzakalani, ba lazy, they very lazy. Mina mangifike eJozi ngaphuma ngagijima ngaye SABC. Ngathi ha wonke amashow ala bangitshela bathi wonke boy wonke generations ilana isidingo silana yini konke kula ngathi kula ayinamanga bathi yes ngathi kushuthwa la bathi la kule building ngazibuza ukuthi how isowethi la labantu bathofukuza kuma auditions la basabukuza la ko Gmail wonke lama show la. That's how I crack it because mangifika ngibone nje a big gap. Because people are lazy. They'll rather sit at home, but akakwazi uku-acta lo bahleke. Akakwazi ukucula lo uyabheda. Jive kanjani lo. That's what they good at. Yabona.
Oyemetse eng? Bokamoso ba hao bo qala ka tjekulena. Ebilane hona le menyetla e mengata e metseng batjha ba South Africa. Hona jwanong a re tsamere le utlo hore di guest tsa rona di re fa advice e tsamayang jwang. Listen up.
So I want to say this, especially to young people, is ngempela abaningi bafuna ukuya esikolweni. The truth is, some of them won't make it. Some of them will not have the opportunity to. If you get a chance, go. If you don't, do something else. But always remember how important it is to go back, to sit in that classroom, and to get that education. Because it separates you from everybody else. It gives you the ability to have something else, they call it depth, wisdom. When you can sit with other people and understand what they are talking about. You only gain that in the classroom.
Advice to youth would be entertainment iqala from ekhaya. The minute uma lapha phambi kwabantwana bakini or umama wakho or usisi wakho ujive bakuklepela izandla, already you are an entertainer. The minute you step outside and take that keyboard, your toys, and play Nkosi Sikelela, that's the beginning of you learning how to play notes. So you can become a producer. You don't need money again to do that. The minute you pick up a microphone or a cold drink and sing the song that is playing on radio, you are already a singer. So a career, it's not about having money. There are rich people who cannot make it. They've paid. They've done videos. Then say, Amavita expensive, bahamba with expensive cars. They're staying in big houses. But if it's not yours, you can have money and still ungabi big.
For more info on today's show, visit our website at www.toms.co.za or catch us on Facebook and on Twitter.
The freedom of enjoying our human rights. Democracy by creating better futures for all South Africans.
Before we sign off, let's take a look at today's show. We paid tribute to the youth of the struggle and learned how they took matters in their own hands by creating the People's Education in a time when equal education was suppressed by the apartheid government. We also paid tribute to one of our struggle heroes, uSolomon Mahlangu. Sambile sahlangana noVusi Thembekayo esikhulume about how he has become an international speaker who empowers young people to go out there and make a success of their lives. We found out that sports, community theatre, and community radio are part of many initiatives in our country that aim to provide young South Africans with the tool and skill to take on the future. Sithola amazing advice and inspiration from our guest we show yanamhlanje. If you'd like to know more, go onto our website www.toms.co.za and remember to catch us on Facebook and on Twitter.
Next time as we continue to celebrate our beautiful Rainbow Nation.
So see you guys soon for another fresh episode here on SABC1 Mzansi for Show. Next time on Toms, Kamu D, Tammy and I celebrate SA Science and Technologies. Sifunda kabanzi nge-SA's great inventions, get some great career advice, sifunda what it takes to become a pilot. Tune in to Toms every week at 4 o'clock only on SABC1 Mzansi for Show.